Kia ora koutou. Our next ha moment is around feeling grounded, feeling tau. It's also a reminder of e hara taku toa I te tua takitahi, engari he tua takitini. I come with not my own strengths, but bring with me the gifts, talents, and strengths of my whānau, of my family, my tribe and ancestors. It's always good to remember we are not alone in this world, that we carry the many gifts of our tūpuna, our ancestors, and our whakapapa. And as people of this world, we intrinsically know that there's a link between us and te taiao, the environment. And we know the peace of this connection, this hononga, when we plant our feet within the ngahere or dip our toes in the moana or the awa. Now, our waiwai, we put our feet, they ground us when we place them in these spaces. So we're asking you to find a rākau, a piece of wood that you connect with. Ask for permission through karakia and or kupu words to papatunuku to ask if you can just borrow it, if you can have it. Feel that piece of rākau, feel that piece of wood, have a kōrero with it, bring it to your place of mahi and take a moment to place your feet on it. Close your eyes and feel it, feel its mauri. Breathe and allow it to ground you, to center you. Kia tautiranga Māori. Peace and love in this grounding. And you can take this rākau with you whenever you travel or in your travels, when you need to feel grounded or you just need to feel tau for a moment. Kia ora.